Your tire gauge is lying to you. That cheap one? Costing you fuel, tire life, and safety. In 2026, only these 5 passed my brutal accuracy test. Stick around, the number 1 pick might surprise you. Number 1. Accutire MS4021 Digital. The Accutire MS4021 Digital didn't win any points for fancy aesthetics, but it gets the job done right more often than any other model we tested and is our overall favorite tire gauge. Its ergonomic shape places the driving force of your thumb in line with the tire valve for a consistently accurate reading. The rubber-coated handle is pleasant to the touch and comfortable for varying hand sizes. The display freezes on your pressure reading, so you don't have to scramble to get a good look at it. The Accutire is accurate to 0.5 psi, and you can calibrate it at any time. It even works at a lower temperature than most digital gauges, operating in the range of 14 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite being a reasonable size, the digital display can still be hard on the eyes. We usually had to pull it away from the tire and angle the rose-colored LCD toward us to read it. Cycling through device options is also tricky. One must press and hold the wake-up button below the valve for several seconds. The Accutire is very lightweight, which also makes it seem cheap. And, when it dies, the 3 alkaline LR44 1.5V coin batteries are somewhat of a pain to switch out. Even with these critiques, this is our favorite gauge we tested and the best option for most folks' glove boxes. If you're shopping for something more cost-effective, the Milton S921 pencil gauge is a worthy consideration. Although not as accurate and lacks a digital display, the Milton is tried and true and will work under all conditions. Number 2. JACO ElitePro 100 PSI. The JACO ElitePro 100 PSI is one of the most accurate tire gauges in our test. We liked its sturdy feel and found it easy to get a good valve seal with this gauge. The 360-degree swivel chuck is deeper than the similar Rhino option, holding the tire valve in place so it's easier to get an accurate reading on the first try. Dial-style gauges also have a few advantages. One is a bleeder valve that shows you how much air you are releasing as you go, and the JACO performs this task well thanks to its secure seal. Another advantage is that these battery-free gauges aren't as affected by cold weather as digital options. The JACO can also glow in the dark for easy nighttime readings. The JACO is well made, and the leak-proof rubber air hose seems durable, as do the brass chuck and connection points. But, while the spiky rubber helps guard this model, dial gauges are less durable by nature. That's worrisome since this gauge is one of the pricier options. The long hose is also bulky, making this a less practical choice for a glove box. If you're looking for an accurate gauge that doesn't require batteries to store in your car, toolbox, or garage, we recommend this one. Another option for those who want a battery-free option on a budget is the TireTech 0 to 60 PSI. This gauge is simple to use and more compact than the JACO, making it easy to carry and transport in your vehicle. Number 3. Milton S921 Pencil Gauge. We will probably always keep one of these classic stick gauges in the car as a backup. The Milton S921 pencil gauge is sturdier than most and made in the USA from plated brass. What these analog gauges have going for them is that they're nearly impossible to break, and their small size lets them slip into even the most overstuffed glove box. With only one moving part and no batteries to drain or freeze in low temperatures, this gauge will work under almost all circumstances. It also has a built-in deflator tab on the back of the gauge, though it won't let you set a specific amount of air to release. Unfortunately, stick gauges aren't exact, and the Milton is no exception. It was consistently 1 psi higher than all the other units we tested. In an emergency, it can give you some idea of what is going on with your tires, but it isn't the tool to pinpoint an exact tire pressure. On the other hand, it offers foolproof operation at a bargain price and a compact size that fits most space restrictions. If you want more accurate readings without sacrificing durability, take another look at the Accutire MS4021 Digital. This top-rated gauge provides pinpoint accurate readings and can still fit comfortably in the center console or your vehicle's glove box. Number 4. AstroAI Digital Dual Head 230 PSI. For tires with inward-facing valves or any tire that requires higher pressures, the AstroAI Digital Dual Head 230 PSI tire gauge is a good option. The gauge forms a good seal with the tire valve in both directions, and it's easy to read the bright green backlit LCD screen. Its automatic flashlight can also help you find your tire valve in low light. The stainless steel chuck is sturdy, and replacing the 2 AAA batteries is straightforward. Due to the long gauge, you can operate the device further from the tire valve, but this makes it easier to mess up your alignment, let out excess air, and compromise your pressure reading. It works with practice, but you get better readings and lose less air when using two hands. Also, this is a large device. For longer road trips or cross-country truckers, it could make sense to haul along, but it's a little overkill for most passenger cars. Some of our testers think it is a great option to keep in the shop as a backup. Others were willing to compromise on space to have a sturdy and easily readable gauge with a built-in flashlight. For more accurate readings and battery-free use, the JACO ElitePro 100 PSI offers easy-to-use operation and peace of mind knowing it will function in a wide variety of conditions. Covers 0 to 230 psi/0 to 16 bar/0 to 16 kg/cm superscript 2/0 to 1585 kilopascals. Includes batteries and comes with a 1-year warranty. Suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, and more. Number 5. ARB ARB505 Deflator Kit 10 to 60 psi. The ARB ARB505 Deflator Kit 10 to 60 psi tire pressure gauge, $54, has a unique design. There are two knurled drivers attached to the oversized, bell-shaped chuck. The one closest to the chuck threads onto the tire's valve, and the second one on the stem threads into the stem itself to grasp the tire's valve core and pull it up. But unlike a fiddly, dinky valve core extractor that makes you fear losing the core, the ARB operation holds the core within the stem of the extractor. Why is that important? It makes airing down your truck or 4x4 tires exceptionally easy and well-controlled. We just pulled up on the collar of the driver closest to the chuck and bled air. And because the gauge/dial was still threaded onto the valve, we could read the psi as we went. Also, we didn't have to keep holding the doodad in place. The ARB is threaded in place, so it'll stay put if, say, you walk away and build a campfire. When you're done, the threaded, knurled knob at the top lets you drive the core back into the tire and reseat it, then unscrew the outer portion and you're good to go. Basically, like your rig, hopefully, this design is super secure and beefy. Links to every gauge are in the description. Hit like, share, subscribe, and drive safe. Disclosure, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Some links are affiliate, at no extra cost to you.